hurt anymore.
Mm-hmm. You're talking about me?
No.
You're talking about me?
No. But you know what, Felicia? I'm a type of person. I think you know this. I forget when I give people chances. You'll always be my kid. I mean, I have to do right by you. Your mother would kill me. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
You're still my kid.
How long we get watch
One
the
day,
fireworks?
you'll come, knock on my
How long
door,
we get watch the
and
fireworks?
say, Dad,
For sure.
I don't
sorry,
know.
I love you. I know one day you'll come back to that house and you'll be like, Dad, can I stay here for a while? I know it. As sure as I'm sitting in this, it'll happen. Want to bet? Let's bet. That'll happen.
How much?
That one day you'll come and see.
How much?
I'll bet you $100.
Okay.
$1,000.
I want some cookies.
1,000?
1,000.
You're on. You
I
know.
doubt I'll ever get it, but 1,000. Abby, what are you doing?
But if that day came, what do you think I'd say?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You say yes now.
You don't think I tried the best and did the best? Tried to raise your kids the best I could?
What my dad told me, don't get mad. What my dad told me,
I don't get mad at your dad.
well, I mean about what he said. My dad said that my mom let me go to my dad's. Like, stop fighting for me because she knew I'd be happy. That's what he told me. I don't know if that's true, but that's what he told me.
What do you think? You know your mother.
Well, I knew she didn't, but I'm saying that.
Felicia, you lived with your mother. How do you think for 1 minute?
Well, it makes me wonder though, because how'd you get all the other kids back and not me?
Your mother had a second custody over her. Had to.
Why?
Because your dad had her. Your dad waited until our kids.
I didn't even know it was gonna happen.
Listen, your dad waited till our kids got taken and then fought for custody of you. And had assigned legal custody over to you. He was a snake. He waited when your mom was. Got her. If your mother was alive right now, she wouldn't stop. She got your dad back. She was planning. She was saving money to pay for dad fucked up. She was gonna literally pay fucking crackheads, dope fiends, to fuck your dad up. You know who talked her out of it?
You.
She was gonna have that man hurt.
Really?
She paid.
She's down on the beach, Abby.
She paid this one person $100, and I had to make sure it didn't happen. They were gonna get your dad. They knew what. No, Brittany's up here with the dog in the van.
Oh. I thought she was on the beach.
Felicia, you're our first kid. You know how much we fought in Brittany. You know that.
I was there, I know.
Oh, you're treating my kid mean. Oh no, you're treating my kid mean. And then your mother would start from. She was bipolar. She started shit for no reason.
I have her bipolarness, I swear.
I don't know.
I'll be happy and then crying and then mad and then happy and and I'll flip out in like a drop of a penny.
Close your eyes.
What happened?
Yeah, I got it. Don't dig at your eyes. She had a sparkle in her eye,
Yeah.
and she dug her eye up to her leg. With lead.
Oh my
Damn hospital.
God.
She
Oh.
was freaking. But your mother was gonna have him hurt.
Well, I'm glad she didn't.
Why?
Well, because right now I don't know, depending on how bad he got hurt. He's a weakling.
Doesn't matter. He deserves to. Well,
No, I mean like he would get hurt even worse because he's a weakling.
Daddy, I'm tired.
Oh,
it's almost over.
is that it?
Work. I gave up for some. I got what I want in life right now. I got my kids. I don't know. I don't hold no grudges against them.
What did you see Britney Spears? Flashes?
Bring me
Yeah, when did she stop that?
and she blood to death. Blood.
Yep. I was there. Well, I wasn't there, but I was there afterwards.
But don't you regret not being around mom?
I do, yes.
I mean, not.
That was supposed to happen.
Ma loved you and missed you.
Wow.